Welcome back to another Samsung video. Finally, the Samsung will officially be announcing its latest lineup of Galaxy flagship phones that are rumored to be the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra on 14th of January 2021. The company confirmed through invitations to a new Galaxy Unpacked event. They call the tagline, "Welcome to the Everyday Epic." We all are aware of that the company is widely expected to announce 3 new smartphones at the event, successor to the last year's Galaxy S20 lineup. A pair of matching S21 and S21 Plus phones that are expected to be largely similar except for the size, and more premium S21 Ultra model that will offer even better specs and cameras similar to its 2020 counterpart, in addition to a curved display and support for Samsung's S Pen stylus. There is no doubt the Galaxy S21 will support the S Pen, but there are rumors circulating in the market that Samsung will end production of its stylus-packed Galaxy Note lineup as soon as later this year to focus more resources on its foldable line of phones, which include the Galaxy S Flip 5G and Galaxy Z Fold 2. There could be multiple reasons behind it because there's a lot of data behind the company producing the Galaxy S21 and all the Galaxy products. Except the pen, there are a lot of leaks that confirm some details that have surfaced previously, like the move from displays that curved slightly around the device edges to totally flat panels, and a redesigned camera bump that melds into the edges of the phone. It looks like they're copying the iPhone 12 model for going back to its straight flat fascia. From a renowned source, we can know that VinFeature manages to identify a few new details through including a slightly lower 2400 into 180 screen resolution for both the S21 and S21 Plus compared to 32 and 14 resolution used by the predecessors. And Samsung also looks to have dropped the time of flight sensor from S21 Plus as it did with the Note 20 Ultra, and looks as though both models would get up to 8K 30p video recording up to from 8K 24p. If you go outside the camera specs, the S21 looks like it will stick with the same 4000 mAh capacity for the battery, while the S21 Plus gets a bigger 4800 mAh battery. VinFeature's specs confirm Samsung's Adsense 2100 processor for the European version with the Snapdragon 888 likely to appear in US devices. But in case if you're going to buy any one of these, make sure to you buy the Snapdragon 888 device because that's better than the Adsense, and there are a lot of drawbacks in the Adsense phone, and we will discuss that about in another video. And the S21 and S21 Plus will offer 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, and of course 2 models will include the 5G modems. And again, there are a lot of rumors around the market regarding the prices. Finally, specs, availability and price have not been confirmed by Samsung yet, but VinFeature cites price of 849 euros, that would be around 1040 US dollar for the S21 and 1285 for the S21 Plus. In case if you're going to hit up the market on 14th Jan to buy the new Galaxy S21 Ultra, please make sure to leave a comment below and we will see you in the video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.